When the father of Jojo passed away, he left a 6-door apartment. It was the only property that the spouses had acquired in their marriage. Since the youngest, Amy, is jobless, their family designated her as the caretaker thereof. Since their mother is already of advanced age, Jojo and his siblings were collating the properties of their parents. They were surprised to learn that Amy sold the 6-door apartment without their knowledge. According to Amy, the property was donated to her as an advance on her inheritance. Jojo wants to know if they still have any right to run after the said property. Jojo, remember that an inheritance does not pass upon the heirs until the death of the testator. Should there be no last will made, the ownership of the property will only pass upon to the heirs once when the ascendant is already deceased. With regard to the alleged donation in favor of Amy, it appears that the same is inofficious. The property is the sole property of your parents, and simply disposing it in favor of one of the heirs is tantamount to disinheriting the others. When your father passed away, there should have been a partition, whether judicial or extrajudicial. Since none was made, the property remained under co-ownership of your mother and all of you. With regard to the present issue, remember that under the law, you can still protect your interest over the property through collation. A fairly recent jurisprudence of the Supreme Court states that the term collation has two distinct concepts. First, it is a mere mathematical operation by the addition of the value of the donations made by the testator to the value of the hereditary estate. And second, it is the return to the hereditary estate of property disposed of by lucrative title by the testator during his lifetime. Since your parents' property was disposed of by Amy, you can collate the value it was sold for and become the subject of partition after satisfying all the debts and legal obligations that your parents may have had. Of course, all of these will only be possible at the moment of death of your ascendant. Be reminded that our opinion is based solely on the information you provided us, and it may change depending on any additional information. You are free to consult a lawyer of your choice regarding your legal concerns. Email us at newscenterptv4@gmail.com. Attorney JJ Jimeno-Atienza for the Rule of Law.